all diamonds. So flip, flip. Now let's start at the bottom. Where are the rest of the bottom pieces? Where is the rest of the bottom? Isn't there supposed to be a bigger amount of the bottom? Hello, Mr. Mustache. Let's not go there. Have you seen one of these before?
The tractor?
No, this is not a tractor.
What is it?
I think it's a bulldozer.
Oh, a bulldozer?
Yeah, have you seen that?
I have seen a bulldozer.
So why aren't you helping me?
I want to see you do it because you're doing a good job.
Will you help me? I'm getting a little tired here.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let's see, I think you've almost got it.
The front is almost done.